So guys, what the fuck is Bitcoin done today? Let's fucking check it out, innit? Right, so fucking let's go on 15 minute. Fucking get a better picture. I'm gonna get right. So New York spiked a low, spiked high, then just went fucking sideways. Asia. Nah, I won't touch this with a 10 football today because Asia has manipulated the price and it's already done its ADR times 1. So what does that mean? That means up from here it were a peak formation, then drop level 1, drop level 2, drop level 3. I thought it were going to come further into level 3, but it didn't, and that's fine. It still completed the drop level 3. I thought they'd want to stop more people out, but they didn't, clearly. They trapped the money down here, they looked at the books and said, right, let's get these fuckers today. So it dropped around 75k pips, which is 3 times. Oh, I'll fucking do it from tapping it. Dropped 80k pips, which is close enough to the ADR times 3, so it completed its 3 drop levels. And kept the people trapped. Kept the people trapped. Now, I will show you something in a minute that is interesting to me with sugar and Bitcoin. Let's look at it first. So, Asia spiked the high. Spiked, fucking bombed up. London spiked the high. Now what I'm looking for is either another push to the high. 1, 2, 3. Maybe another push to the high in this London session. Then New York reverse that bitch. And come down to this liquidity pool down here. Where there are plenty of stop loss. Does not violate this stop loss area. Get these guys and then move higher. And I say that because I'm looking at sugar and this isn't real money, by the way, just so everyone knows. It's demo. What am I gonna say? Oh yeah. This is sugar. This is Bitcoin. Now have a look at this. In fact, have a look at the full fucking thing. Just bear in mind, Bitcoin is a shit ton more volatile than fucking sugar. Sugar will just stay there. Sugar is fucking boring. But when it wants to be interesting, it can be interesting. See, I just what's that fucking staying in a 5% range for fucking 94 days? Yeah, man. That's boring as shit. So, man, sugar doesn't trade as often as Bitcoin. Sugar trades from 9 p.m. to 3 p.m. No, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Fucking wrong. So, and Bitcoin trades 24/7, fucking 7 days a week. This trades 5 days a week. So anyway, as I was saying, if you have a look at this structure and this structure, just same shit happens. There's fractional disparity between these two. Bitcoin fractional disparity means they'll move something before they move something else. So they don't have enough money to move one thing and another thing and another thing and another thing at the same exact time. So Bitcoin lags behind. It's like currencies against the US dollar to gold. Gold will go first, and then the currencies will go after. And it's like they'll move the majors before they move the minors, or they might move the minors before they move the majors, but they're not going to move them at the exact same time because that costs too much money and they don't have unlimited amounts. They only have a certain amount, but they are not struggling whatsoever. So I'm just going to go over this again. I'm going to use a paintbrush. See, comes up, goes down, look at Bitcoin, comes up, goes down, comes back up, goes down, goes back up. Same with Bitcoin, goes straight back down, goes up, goes up a bit more. Bitcoin, I believe, is on this stage here, but I'm sort of looking at it. Get the fuck off. And can't actually. Is yeah, we're here, we're here, we're here. But loads of other traders will be looking at this, so they could just rock it up from here. I don't think they're going to violate these areas though, because they've said that they don't want to. They've essentially said through the tape that they don't want to violate. They want to keep these guys trapped. Everyone went short down here, and here's fucked. They've fucked it. I mean, they might not have fucked it. It might just come straight down, but right now they have fucked it. The Bitcoin bears, if you will. So anyway, over here you get a rise, you get a rise, and you get a drop, and you get a drop, and you get a slight rise. Now, unless we break this high, well, no, Bitcoin, unless we break this high here with confirmation, then I still think it's going to go down, up, down. But it could go down, up. Sorry, done that. Up, down, then just straight back up and completely ignore this, because I've seen it before. When something looks the exact same, they'll make it slightly different to throw traders off. We're waiting for the quote-unquote safety move. So right here on Bitcoin, so we'd get something like this if it were going to do what Sugar did, which it has done what Sugar did. So right now, unless I see something different, I ain't fucking putting it down that it's not going to do what Sugar did. So I think it's going to come down here. I've drew the zone right there. Stop all the guys out here and here. Keep these guys in, these guys in, these guys in. And then move higher. Now I want to see where this looks fishy, this, because the stop hunt on, well, yeah, the stop hunts on cryptos are a lot deeper. Like, see how it came up here on the crypto chart. It's not, and if you're like looking at this when it was, let's say, down here, where you get that, you'd only think it'd come up to here, but the stop hunting crypto went higher, and then it went down. Could stop here. New York could send this bitch flying back down. I'm expecting a New York reversal. Stop the guys out. Go up on Thursday. Make a run for profits on Friday. Weekend, average it out and send it up. But that isn't what's going to happen. Something else is obviously going to happen. But if they were playing it by the book, that's how they'd do it. So I want to see it come here. And then go up. And like I said, it will 50-50% chance, 50-50 chance it'll fucking ignore this move here. So all the traders are looking at it. I mean, they might do the stop on it. It might not be as deep. It might be deeper. Or it could be like that. No, we just have to wait and fucking see, innit? We'll just see what they show us at that point in time. So for London, I think it could push up again. And that'd be its 2 times ADR. Then fall back down. And fall back, then go back up. Do its 3 times ADR. Then do another cyclical move to the downside, then straight back up. So short term, I'm not expecting much action. Actually, it's just gonna go fucking sideways. And then I'm expecting some bullish movement when we get to around this point on the chart. But we just got to see what Sugar does, because Sugar's a beast on itself. And Sugar won't stop moving and Bitcoin will more than likely not move like sugar did until sugar starts to lag. And this doesn't look like a lag. This just looks like a pullback to interest the short. Like the shorts will have been stopped out on sugar now. So you see this. That's the pattern. They'll have all stop losses there. All the shorts would have been stopped out. Now the shorts won another short because they're emotional. They got stopped out and it's gone below where they were fucking stopped out at. That's what the market's based on, just human emotion. Just imagine having a position, being short, seeing all that profit coming up, wiping you out, then it goes back under where you are. That's gonna do. I know what that feels like, and you just got to sort of ignore it and stick to a set of rules. Not much interest in me forex pairs, so I'm not gonna go over them today. But yeah, everyone have a good day, and trade Bitcoin safely, and do not over leverage, please. On Binance, I recommend no financial advice, but if I were to fucking trade in it, no more than 5 times leverage. In fact, 3 times probably your best option. But yeah, that's Bitcoin today.